this laundry hamper. You can find there's a Velcro folding lid to make the lid and the basket to attach the basket firmly. And we also design the 2 chrome handle on each side for easy carrying. The basket is very light, and you can find there's big space inside. There's a cardboard inside. You can take it out, then foldable like this. A lot of customers like this foldable hamper because it can be folded away again if you don't need it. It will save the space in your home and also save the space during transportation. You can foldable like this. This cardboard put inside, then put the lid like this, Velcro. For the handle, you also can change another handle, cotton rope handle, PVC handle, as you like. Let's check the details. Let's check the size. The size is 35. The height 56 centimeter. It can load 1,900 pieces in 40 container.